can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on it.
Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be installing this new 9x6 thin undetectable HD lace frontal wig. Now this is a 24-inch 200% density body wave wig. This wig does not have any combs or adjustable straps in the back, but it does have a silicone non-slip band in the back. Now this wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline. The knots already come pre-bleached and the lace has already been cut. I'm going to add a clip right here, just zooming in on the hairline so you guys can see how small the knots is on this wig, and also take a look at how the hairline has been bleached and pre-plucked. So you pretty much don't have to do anything to this wig. It also has the ears cut out on this wig, so you don't have to worry about customizing the ears on this wig. So everything should lay flat, but I want to go ahead and put this wig on and see how it looks. And of course, I went on ahead and washed my wig off camera because I mean, you're supposed to do that. Don't ever put a dirty wig on your head. I don't know why girls be doing that, but please don't do that because these wigs be dirty as I don't know what. So anyways, I got a freshly washed wig on my head, so now I'm trying to get the wig to fit to my liking because honestly the wig is a little too small, surprisingly, but I'm going to make it work. So right now I'm just trying to get the wig to fit just a little bit more better on my head because y'all know I don't do any type of glue. So I am going to have to cut a little bit of the lace off, which is not a problem honestly because I do prefer to have a little bit more lace on my wigs just to give me the option to customize my hairline a little bit more. So today I am deciding to use the Organic Root Stimulator wig spray. Many of y'all who probably follow 𝐒𝐤𝐿 know that he actually used this wig spray instead of the 𝐒𝐤𝐿 spray. So I decided to try this out today. I've actually had this spray for about 2 months now and just decided to try it today. And I must say, I actually like it. So I'm going to follow the same technique as I have always did when it comes to my wig install, even though I'm using a few new products today. So I'm just going to pull out some baby hairs and apply the product directly on my lace to avoid my hairline from being crunchy. And I'm going to follow up with my hot comb, making sure I'm using the back of my hot comb to press the roots of my wig to make sure it's flat. So because I'm not going to sit up under a dryer or I'm not using any type of glue, I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair down and allow that spray to dry. And I'm going to start the process of making my wig flat. So my hairstylist Marquis told me a tip to helping my wigs look flat is working in sections. So that's what I'm going to do while my hair or my lace does like the melting process. And so basically what I'm going to do right here is just section off my hair, use a very small amount of a wax stick and go in with the back of my hot comb and press out my roots on my wig.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go
honestly, that makes a world of difference by just taking out the time and going section by section and pressing out your hair. It just makes your wig flatter. It doesn't give the illusion that you're wearing a wig, and to me, it just makes your hair look flawless. So yeah, do that for real. Alright, so y'all know I done got better with cutting layers in my hair, right? So let me go ahead and cut some layers in this hair. So I'm about to take this 24 inch to probably about a 22, 20 inch. Cause yeah, I mean, why not? So I'm gonna take a razor comb and just pretty much cut some layers in the front of my hair.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and remove this headband because the lace should be pretty much intact, and I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my hairline and remove some of the lace. So today I'm gonna be using the Organic Root Stimulator lace gel. I actually love this gel. I will never use the 𝐒𝐿 gel anymore. I just don't like it. I feel like this gel is so much more better. It's softer. It does flake a little bit, but it's not like harsh on my hairline. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do with this, because it is a little bit more lace, I'm just going to play around with how I want my hairline to look. And I love the amount of plucking that RpgHair did on this wig. Y'all, when I tell y'all this hairline looks like it is growing out of my scalp, look at this. And look at what the gel is doing to this hairline with this wig. This is why I love this gel. It is so soft, y'all, and it's not like tacky. That's one of the things I did not like with the got2b. It started to be sticky. It started like pulling the hairs. I just didn't like that. But I also like with this gel, y'all, it also gives me a little bit more hold on my wigs because again, I don't use any type of glue for my installs. So yeah, so one thing that you see that I'm doing right here with those extra hairs and stuff is I'm pulling them away from my hairline because I'm actually going to cut them when I remove the lace, and I'll show y'all that in just a minute. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the extra lace. Y'all probably forgot that I haven't even did that right because the lace literally melted into my skin. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take my razor comb and literally start removing the lace, trying to be very, very careful because I honestly cannot see the lace and I'm trying not to cut myself. So I'm trying to get very close to the hairline so that it gives the illusion that the hairs that I pushed back with the gel is growing out of my scalp. So this is how you get rid of that extra lace and the extra hair while also, you know, creating the type of hairline that you want. So that's why I said, like, I don't mind sometimes when companies send like extra lace because you can kind of customize your hairline.
I feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No.
Okay, so now that I got the extra lace removed, I'm gonna go ahead and put my headband back on, and that's just going to help make sure none of the lace rolled back up and make sure the lace blends back into my skin so that everything gives like that melted effect. So remember earlier I did put some layers in my hair, so now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair using my T3 curling iron.
The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy.
And of course, the hair curled like I knew it would, because I mean the original texture was like a wavy texture. So this is what the lace in the hairline looks like. Everything looks perfect. Now one side of my hair, I guess I didn't put the hairspray on, so you can kind of tell the lace didn't really melt into my skin like that. So I'll fix that a little later in the video. Also, I think I took off a little bit more hair on one side compared to the other side. Like one side looks a little bit more fuller than the other, but child, whatever. I'll fix that a little later too. But anyways, girl, these are my fluffy curls. Y'all, I have gotten so good with my layers. I love it. I love it. Practice makes perfect. So this is pretty much the final look to today's look. It is a fun, fluffy, flowy, curly look. I'm going to put some sunglasses on and be outside today. And as always, these put on and go wigs I'm going to recommend to anybody because they're super easy, they're super convenient to put on. You can have, you can be very skillful, or you can have very little skills when it comes to putting on a wig, and you're going to be able to get a very flawless look without having to really put any effort into it. Now with this wig, you did have to have a little skill as far as cutting off some of the lace, but it gave you the opportunity to be able to customize your hairline to your liking. So no complaints there. Everything will be below in the description bar. Thanks for watching. Bye.